Today I'm going to show you how to make a new Instagram if you would like to make a new Instagram, or how to even like make your Instagram that you have right now a little bit different than you might have it if you're not utilizing all of the little settings and the bio and the things like that. Then you may want to edit yours, and I'll show you how to do that by just basically showing you how I'm going to make my new one. We're going to kind of go back and forth, and the reason why I'm making a new one is to go along with this new YouTube channel. So like the Bridget Tarot channel, the Divine Essentials YouTube channel, those ones are, you know, my spiritual channels. People are there for readings, they're there for healings, they're there for twin flame stuff, they're there for rituals, they're there for like the actual spiritual work that I do in that sense. But then the Bridget Essentials YouTube channel is a whole new ball game. That's just like me teaching the back end of this stuff. But I also want to share things on Instagram to direct people to that new channel, and to also utilize Instagram in a way of like, hey guys, because I've been so inspired with different things to share this and share that, but it's like I don't want to put it on my current Instagrams because it's not going to get the traction. It's actually going to hurt it, 111, because people that are there aren't there for that. So they're not going to like it, and then it's not going to get pushed out to new people. So I'm making a new one to help that. I've also been utilizing a lot of the things within like the stories and stuff, and I'll show you my Instagram stories are doing much better right now on the Divine Essential Instagram than they were like a couple weeks ago, because I'm doing polls and I'm doing things that are, you know, strategic in a way of like, I'm not always just putting up a story with a link that takes you off of Instagram. I'm engaging with my people. I'm, you know, messaging with my people as much as I can. I'm, you know, answering comments. I'm having people, you know, comment too, like comment something on that so that it gets pushed out to more people. The more engagement you get on your post, the higher your post will reach. The more engagement you get in your stories, or the more of those little things that you use within your stories, the better the reach will be on those too. They're going to recommend your story to be seen by more people when you have people interacting with your stories and using the polls and using the questionnaires and using all the things that are there for you to use. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to make a new one, how to put your little profile picture in there, what you might want to put into your bio, how to add your links, all of that, and then I'll show you like how my stories just boom, 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 heart, people are liking, and over the last week, it's, you know, before like a week ago or 2 weeks ago, it was like, you know, maybe 30 people would see the stories. Now it's like 50 to 100 people are seeing the stories, and out of those 50 to 100 people, it's like 10 people, 12 people are liking the stories, and that does make a big difference. And that tells you too, if people are liking the story, make more stories like that. If they're not liking the story, then maybe don't make more stories like that, and don't constantly be like just trying to sell stuff. So again, why I'm making this new Instagram is because I have stuff to teach people, to share people on Instagram that's going to be free teachings that I know people are going to like and they're going to want to use and they're going to want to share that, but not necessarily the people that I have already on my current Instagram. And then I will make a separate video for the rest of the stuff that I recorded today, which was like how to add your picture for your YouTube, you know, and how to edit your YouTube if you're somebody that's just making a brand new YouTube, like how to make a banner and all of that. We're going to be talking about making an Instagram today. So first you would want to go to Instagram. I already have an Instagram. I actually have more than one Instagram. But the reason why I'm making a new one is because the people on this Instagram aren't really here for business, you know. They don't want to know about growing their spiritual business. They want to know about twin flames and love and starseed stuff and things like that. So it actually hurts my business, or hurts this thing, to put that type of content on here. So, you know, if you're on your home, you would hit your little face down here, and that you could hit it twice and it will switch you, or you can hit up top on the left here where it says the name Divine Essential with the little arrow down. Click on that, boppity boop. Okay, I did add a new and create a new account, and I put the name in that I wanted, and sometimes they're taken, so you got to get a little creative, and then you go through the next, and so what will happen is you'll get something like this. I don't even know how I've already got followers because I haven't even told anybody this thing exists, but it does. So here we are. This is the new place for me to create my business stuff. So I called it Bridget Rao Essentials because the YouTube channel is Bridget Rao Essentials, and when you come on here, you're gonna want to edit your profile. So the username's Bridget Rao Essentials. We're gonna want to put in a bio. We're gonna want to add our links and things like that. And how come it has that email address? Weird. We're gonna do Bridget Rao Essentials at Gmail. Okay, now we gotta go do that. So dumb. Whatever. Anyways, in here you can also put things for your name that are like searchable, that make sense. Like spiritual business mentor. Spiritual business mentor. And then in the bio you want to say things about what it is that you're doing, who you're serving, all of that type of stuff. So you can see, like on my other one, it's like spiritual business mentor, soulful community building, manifesting mastery, psychic starseed shaman, boppity beepity boopity bop. So we want to do something like that too. I don't know why my dog is dreaming and crying, but I'm gonna come up with one. Alright, so spiritual entrepreneur business, guiding heart-centered entrepreneurs, combining spirituality and strategy. And again, we can change this up as we go, and we can also edit it like day to day even. Say you put something out that's new, that you're like, hey guys, I want you to see this thingy. You can do that. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Spiritual business mentor, Bridget Rao Essentials, spiritual entrepreneur and business, guiding heart-centered entrepreneurs, combining spirituality and strategy. Okay, and then let me go back over to this one and get this thing. So a bappity boopity beepity boopity beep, beep. This is my main links, you know. Everything's there for my stuff. We will go back over here. We will edit this. We will add the links. A URL. And it said full list of links. Okay. And then, did it do it? Alright, we also need a picture, which I already have one from my YouTube. So we click on here, we click these three dots, we hit share, we copy the link. That's the YouTube linkity link. Boppity beep. Avatar. Yay! So we've got a little avatar, and then we'll go get my thing in Canva. Where's my picture? Here we go. I'm just going to download both and see how they look. And again, I made those very easily and quickly. It wasn't a big deal. Let's see how that looks. I don't like this stupid note thing. Which one do you like better? You let me know. Maybe I'll do a poll on the other place because there's more people over there that I can actually ask stuff, but I don't know who the hell's following me. People are following me. I didn't even do anything. That's cool. Anyways, Bridget Ram Essentials, boppity beepity boop. Okay, so that's how you do it. That's how you make a new one. You put your stuff up in there. You tell people what you are and what to do for you, and then you create content. You know. So add your full name so that your friends know who you are. Add a profile photo. Add a bio. Find people to follow. Okay, awesome sauce. So for me, I could go follow the people that I know, like on my other channel. But for other people, you may just kind of have to like start from scratch or follow your friends, you know. But I have a lot of people who follow me. I could go follow all of them, and if they like to follow me back, they can. But I also have like my broadcast and my community creators, so I can be like, follow me over here. This is where I'll be sharing. And then I can even just go follow those people back who are in that community creators, because that's the one I've been using for business. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And I've been seeing a lot of 888s today. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of more polls and things like that into my Instagram stories, and utilizing what I know about being a content creator. And for the longest time, like, you know, I wasn't getting many likes on my stories, and I wasn't getting like as many views on my stories. So and it really does impact it. If people don't like your story, it won't get shown to as many people. And of course the dog is drinking, but you know, I've noticed over the past couple of days there's been a huge increase in the amount of likes and interactions on my stories, and that's also creating a increase in the amount of views. I know like 49 isn't that many, but there's been a couple of days where it was like there was like 90 to 100 people, which is a good amount compared to what it was. Look, 10, 55, 55. Things are changing. They're rearranging. People are reacting. They're liking. You know, they're engaged. And this doesn't happen with every single one, but it's starting to get better. Like I'm kind of like, wow, I can't believe. Why aren't you scrolling up? Can't believe how many people are liking them, you know. And then when we get here again, bumpity bump. So you see, it does make a difference. Like some people are gonna like stuff, other, like for the while, those posts right there were getting the most likes. Now it's the other ones that I'm doing where I'm like talking to people and I'm doing interactions on them. I literally just shared this one, which is about the next ritual that's coming up for self-love. And then there's a thing on there for people to, you know, do. But I will put on. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you would be so inclined to donate. That would help me very much, as this is a new channel and it's not monetized at this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste.